Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this episode we're going to take a look at the 2005 Matchbox Burger Zone 5-pack. So, got some nice drawings on it. Jukebox, hamburger, one of those see-through ones. You got a guy bringing you your food to your car. So here you can see the copyright 2004. So here are the licenses. Let's cut this open. Lift up the top. First up we got the delivery van by VW, 158 scale, no suspension. So this is the delivery van of the burger restaurant. Got very cool decos on the side. We deliver. Very cool one. Kind of a mustard color, which I think is pretty appropriate. Then next up we got the 69 Camaro. The scale is 162. No suspension on this one either. It's got the red stripes on the hood and on the bonnet, trunk. Yeah, and that's pretty much it tempo wise. Then I got the Thunderbird, 57 Thunderbird to be exact. No suspension, very nice shiny color, red, very beautiful. Combines very well with the white interior. Got the chrome base, so the chrome spare wheel in the back. Got the chrome ring around the taillights, and we got the headlights done, so that's very nice. This might be the nicest one of the 5-pack. Then we got the Plymouth Cuda, no suspension either. It's a 1970, and the scale is 1 to 62. It's got a bit of a stance issue, this casting. It sits pretty high, definitely for a muscle car. Red interior, got the taillights painted, that's cool, and the Cuda name on the chrome. And it's got the headlights and the grille. No, the grille is not painted, just the headlights. Nice. So actually you get tampos all around, just not on top. Shaker hood, very nice. And then we got the VW Beetle, 62 Beetle, red plastic base, 156, no 58 scale, no suspension either. Also a delivery vehicle of the burger restaurant. Pretty plain, except from the side deco. Now, before we take a look at some other examples I have of these castings, I wanted to show this one. This is a majorette, so kind of cool. It's also a VW Type 2 T1 van, also in a burger livery. So very cool to actually have these two famous brands in a van burger delivery version. I thought I just had to show that. That is very cool. Majorette does have suspension, can slam it to the ground, and does have an opening tailgate and stuff, but it's also more expensive usually. So let's take a look at some other Matchboxes. So this is the oldest one I have. This is from the 2001 5-pack Wings and Water. Then I got this 2005 version, and then this 2007 release from a 5-pack from the Euro Classics. The 69 Camaro, this is the only version I have from this 5-pack, and do not have any other versions. Then we got the Thunderbird. This is the oldest one I got. This was available from 1983 till 1985. It's all metal, it's got suspension, very cool version. And then we got the Burger Zone one, it's from 2005. Then we got this 2007 version from the US Classics 5-pack. And then, and this casting is still used today because this is a 2017 version from the Open Road Cruisers 5-pack. Then we got the Plymouth Cuda, so this is the one from this 5-pack. And then this casting is also still being used because this is a 2018 release of it. 70 Plymouth Cuda. You can see still the same stance issue. Only got the side deco, this one. And then the Beetle is the last one. So the oldest version I have is from 2000, from the More Cars 5-pack. Then also from 2000 from the Storm Trackers 5-pack. Got this one. Then 2001 from the Wings and Water 5-pack. Got this purple one. Then 2006 mainline, and then a 2007 5-pack version, the Euro Classics. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.